Hello people, welcome back to the channel. So in my last videos, we have created an advanced but simple trading channel, something that looks similar to this one here. But some of you all said that you don't understand the relationship between a rollup and a relation. So that's why I've created this markup here. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining more about the relation and rollup and how did we use them in this trading channel. So everything starts with a database. If you don't understand what a database is, so let me just firstly clear that up. Take a database like folders in your computer or on your smart device that have files inside. But in our trading journal that we're building, we want to link these folders and also link the files inside the folder with the other folders outside this trade log folder, basically. I hope it makes sense. So in terms of databases, we have our main database. We named it trade log. You can see here it says main database. This is where we are journaling our trades, but we have other folders like the month, the year, and other folders that I didn't include in this markup, like the strategy, the quarterly, the risk to reward, and the symbols. So want to link these main database to these other databases here in order to help us calculate. So these other folders are helping us calculate. So how do we link these main database to the other databases? We are using something called a relation in Notion. It's called a relation because it connects databases. So if we use a relation between trade log and month, these two databases will be connected. So once we have linked trade log and month, what we can do, we can take these trades here and then link them to their relevant month here because we've already connected the databases. And then also here with the year, we can just take these trades here and then link them to their relevant years. Just linking the databases and then also linking the files inside the databases. We're using that something called a relation. So there's another thing called a rollup. A rollup is used to pull data from connected databases. Once the databases have been connected, we can then pull information like we are doing with our trading journal. For the month, we can pull how many trades are inside our trade log, our main database trade log, and then calculate them per month. And then also pull out the win rate from trade log and then calculate it for the month. Also the same thing with the year. You can pull all the data that is connected to the year and then calculate how many trades did we take in that particular year and then calculate the win rate and then calculate the total P&L. I hope this markup structure here explains everything in basic form. So let's just do a practical example to make you fully understand. So we're here on Notion. What we're going to do, we're going to create a new trading journal. Or just click here and then name it Trading Journal 2. So inside our trading journal 2, what do? We firstly create our main database by typing / and then data and then use the inline database. And then this main database, we're going to call it trade log. This is where we're going to add everything here. So for example, we've taken a trade on XAU USD, and then we also took a trade on Euro USD, and also we took a trade on Great British Pound USD. So these trade log have 3 trades here like this. So we need to do our other databases. This is the main database. So our other databases will be month, And then inside the month, we can have Jan, we can have Feb, and so on and so on. And then our third database, for example, we can have a year. And then on the year, it's 2026. So what we can then do now, we want to link these main database to the month database and also the year database. Like we have already seen on the markup, what do? We click here on add property. And then like we said, if you want to link two databases, we used something called a relation. It helps us connect two databases. So just click here on relation. And then we have all the things that we have created here for the year, for the month. Let's start with the month. And then most importantly, we need to turn on this two-way relation. So you can just hover here and it will explain to you what is a two-way relation. So basically, two-way relation, it connects two databases and make the databases have information on both databases. So you can see here it automatically created the relation also for the month and then also here on the trade log. So let's do another one here, add property, and then now we're also connecting the year. Click relation and then add here on the year, turn on two-way relation, boom. So now also the year is connected to the trade log. We are seeing this here. It means that year is connected to trade log. So very simple. Now what we want to do is we want to link the files inside the database with the relevant files on the other databases. Like for example, here with a gold, we've taken this trade on January. Just click here on the relation for the month, and then we can just link it to the January, and then do for Euro USD. Maybe we also took it on January. Just click January, and then for the pound, maybe we took it on February. Just click on February. That's it. You can also see here it auto shows up here. So do the same thing with the year. They're both on. They are all on 2026. So now all these two databases, the month, the year, they're all connected to the trade log. So that's basically how we use a relation. So now the question is, how do you use a rollup? So a rollup, like we already said on the definition, it is used to pull up information from connected databases. So for example, here on month, because month is connected to trade log. How do we see that? Because of this trade log here, this label here, trade log. It means month is connected to trade log, meaning we can pull information inside trade log and then calculate it here on the month. So for example, we want to calculate how many trades did we took on January and how many trades did we took on February, and then also here for the year we want to also pull data from trade log using a rollup and then calculate the total number of trades we've taken for 2026. So how do we do that? We use a rollup. Just click here on property and then go to rollup. Okay, then click here on rollup and then come to relation to property and then click here on relation and then click here on trade log. And then you can now pull the number of data, because here on property, just leave it as targeted name, and then calculation, we just click here on show and then click here on count and then click here on count all. So automatically it will count the number of trades. You can see here 2 because January is linked to 2 trades. And then February is linked to 1 trade. That is why it says 1 and then 2 here. We can just do the same thing here for the year. Just click here and then click here on rollup. And then click here on property and then click here on edit property. Just click here on relation, and then click here on target property. Just leave it as it is, and then here on calculate, just click here on count, and then count all. Boom. You can see here it says 3 trades in total. So now let's say, for example, here we add the property to track the PNL. Just put in the number. Just let's change it to the format. Let's just change it to percentages. Then boom, just like this. Let's say for the gold trade, we made like 2%. Then on Euro USD, we've made 5%. And then on pound, we've made negative 2%. So we can also auto-calculate this property that we've added here by just coming to the linked database that we want the calculations to show from, and then click here on add property, and then use a rollup to pull data from connected databases, and then click here on property again, then click here on edit, then click here on link, and then change property target, and then the number. And then the calculation, we can change it to sum here on more options, and then sum. You can basically see here it auto calculates. Very simple. So if this video has been helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.